Hi, good morning. Welcome back to the Arithmetic Quiz Monday morning 10 a.m. Let's start the first question. A and B can complete your work in 15 days. A and B in 15 days. B and C in 10 days. A and C can 12 days. A, B, C is the question now. So 15, 10, 12. LCM is 60. 15, 4 times, 10. 6 times, 12. 5 times. If I add all, it's a 15. So 60, it's a 4 if it is 2 times. But I require A plus B plus C only. So it can be in 8 days because half the people double the days. So answer over. Next. A, B, C. A, B, C can do a piece of work individually 10, 12, and 15. Then A left the work 5 days before the work. So A is working 5 less days, n minus 5. And B left 2 days after A left. That means B in n minus 3 days. And the number of days required to complete the whole work is, so C has to be in n days. Very simple. So n minus 5 by 10 plus n minus 3, B is 12 plus n by 15. So LCM here is 60. 10 how many times 60? 10 6 times. So 6n minus 30 and plus 12 5 times. 5n minus 15 plus 15 4 times n equals to 1. So equals to 60. 6n, 5n, 4n is 15n. Minus 30 minus 15 is minus 45 equals to 60. So 60 plus 45, 105. So 15n equals to 105. 15 months, 15 sevens. So n equals to 7 days. Answer over. Next question. So A can do a piece of work in 18 days, B in 20 days, and C in 30 days. So 18, 20, and 30. So it's 180 is 180 LCM. So 18 10 times, 20 9 times, and 30 6 times. So again, B and C together started. B and C started here, started the work, and are forced to leave after 2 days. So the time taken by A alone to complete the remaining work. That means the total number of works are 180. 180 equals to, and B and C worked for 2 days. The 1 day work is 10, 9, 6. B and C is 9 and 6. 9 and 6 means 15. 15 2 times, 15 2 times 30 plus, and A is 10. 10 into X. X is the number of remaining work in number of days. So 15 2 times it's 30. 150 equals to 10 into X. 0 0 cancel. X is 15 days. So next question. A can complete a piece of work in 10 days. B in 15 days. C in 20 days. A and C. The LCM here is 60 and 6, 4 and 3. So A and C worked together for 2 days. And then A was replaced by B. In how many days together work was complete? That means A worked for 2 days. A and C worked for 2 days, and next remaining days B and C worked for remaining days altogether. Then work is completed. Work completed here is 60. So 2 times A and C. 1 is 6. C is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 2 times. 9 2 times is 18. Plus N I don't know. B is 4. C is 3. 7 equals to 60. 60 minus 18 is 42. So N equals to by 7. It's 6. So N value is 6. So total number of days is 6 plus 2. So answer is 8. Ram can complete a piece of work in 24 days. So for first 4 days, he worked. That means 4 days over, 20 days left. But after joining Rahim, if he complete the work in 16 days, work completed. That means the 20 days of Ram is completed by Ram and Rahim in 12 days. So Ram done in 12 days is okay. but remaining 8 days work. 8 days work of Ram is equal to 12 days work of Rahim. That I can analyze from here. So 4 2 times, 4 3 times. That means here it is 24 days of work by Ram. So it's a 36 days by Rahim. Next. A can complete a piece of work. A can complete a piece of work in 20 days. B in 30 days. And they work together for 7 days. Both leave the work. And then, so I'll take 60, 23 times, 32 times. So 5. But they work together for 7 days. 7 5 is 35 over. The balance work is 25. 25 works C can be done in 10 days. So in 10 days, he can complete 25 works. But what he required to complete? Remaining work in 10 days. How many full work? 60. 60 is question mark. 60 into 10 divided by 25. 25 ones, 24. So answer is 24 days. 10 men or 20 women can complete, or 40 children can complete a work in 7 months. Then 5 men, 5 women, 5 children can do half of work in how many days? This is the question. So 5 men, I'll make equal first. 10 men equals to 20 women equals to 40 children. This is equal. And 40 children is equals to 20 women is nothing but 40. So 5 women, how many children? 5 women is equals to 10 children. And 10 men equals to 20 women. But 5 men equals to 10 women. And 10 women equals to 20 children. Yes or no? 10 women equal to 20 children. So 5 men equals to 20 children. 5 women equals to 10 children. And 5 children is already there. 20, 10 and 5. Total how many children? 35 children. But I require half work. 40 children can complete in 7 months. 40 children can complete in 7 months. And M1, 40 children into D1, 7 months by W1, that is 1, equals to 35 into, I don't know time. So months divided by half the work into 2. 1 by 2, half the work. 7, 10 times, 0, 0 cancel. Number of months, 4 months. So answer over. Next question. That is 6 men and 8 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days. 26 men plus 48 boys can do the same piece of work in 2 days. So 2 ones, 2 5s. 5 6, 30 m, 8 5s, 40b equals to 26 m plus 48b. So 26. 4 m equals to 48b. So 4 ones, 4 2 times. So m equals to 2b. And now the question. 15m plus 20b is nothing but 15m equals to 30m. 30b. 30b plus 20b equal to 50b. 50b in how many days? But in reality, 6m means 12. 12b plus 8b in 10 days. So 12 plus 8. 20 boys can complete in 10 days. 50 boys can complete. That means 20 into 10 equals to 50 into question mark. So 0, 0 cancel. 5 ones, 5 fours. Answer is over. Next question. A contractor was engaged to construct a road in 16 days. So the work should be in 16 days. After working 12 days with 20 workers, it was found that 5 by 8th part over. That means 3 by 8th part is left. Road has been constructed. To complete the work stipulated time, how many number of the extra workers is required? 12 days over. Within that 12 days, 5 by 8th part of work done. So M1 is 12 days, 20 workers. 20 workers into D1 equals to number of days, 12 days divided by work 5 by 8 equals to what I require to solve. I require how many more? 20 plus x. X is the more. But what I require now? I require to calculate within that stipulated time, 16 days, it has to be finished. 16 days, it has to be finished. 16 minus 12 is 4 days, it should be completed. Okay, right. And the remaining work is 3 by 8. This 8, that 8 is cancelled. So 3 goes here. So 4 ones, 4 5 times. 5 ones, 5 5 cancel. And 12 3 times, 36 equals to 20 plus x. So x equal to 16. So answer over. Right. Next question. A company employed 200 workers to complete a certain work in 150 days. In 150 days. 1/4 of the work has been completed in 15 days. 1/4 in 50 days. Then in order to complete the work in time, so remaining 100 days is there. In that 100 days, 3/4 the work has to be finished. Number of additional workers, 200 workers. 200 into 50 days divided by 1/4 equals to 200 plus, I don't know the number, extra, into 100 divided by 3 by 4th part of work is there. 4 gets cancelled. 50 ones, 52 times. 2 ones, 200 times. So 100 into 300. 300 equals to 200 plus x. X value is 100. So answer over. By this, we can solve. And next quiz on Monday morning, 10 a.m., 10 questions. I'll meet you there. Bye-bye.